Yes, guys, today I got another video for you guys. Today we're in 2012 Cascadia. We're gonna be changing uh the radio that come with the Cascadia to aftermarket radio. I'll show you the aftermarket radio. So we're gonna be switching this factory radio to aftermarket radio. The one I bought it from eBay. So it has this is the radio I bought. It has this. So it's an MP3 with the USB and all the good stuff, with navigation and all the good stuff. So but these are original radio that come with a Cascadia. To actually take it out, I'm going to show you the procedure how to take it out. So in order to take this radio out, guys, there are 4 O's right here. One, I'll show you. 2, there are 4 O's right there, right? So there's a tool that you need to buy from Freightliner, or probably you buy from eBay, guys. But if you don't have the tool, I have 4 nails right here. I have 4 nails right here, right? So I have these nails. So you actually have to put the nails into this, into the hole. You put the nails in there. So in other words, as you put it in there, you'll be able to take this radio out. If you don't have nails, or probably you can buy the tools on eBay, but because I don't have the tools, so that's why I'm using these, guys. So after that, when you push it in there, then you should be able to start wiggling. You can wiggle the radio. If it doesn't come out, you need a flathead screwdriver to try to, you know, see if that could help you, or probably it comes out. When it comes out, you remember there's gonna be a wire at the back of the radio, and also when you're bringing it out, you gotta be careful. You bring it out, guys. So there's gonna be a wire at the back of it, and also an antenna cable. So when they come out, you know, this is the wire that's connected to the original radio. You can see I still have my nails in the radio. So there's the wire, and also you have the antenna cable right here, all as well, guys. So guys, what I'm gonna do right now, you know, because the aftermarket radio I bought has a different connector. Radio I bought has a different connector. So guys, this with a freightliner can't fit it in there. So you might have to go to Best Buy or go to eBay and get another wire harness, so another female wire harness, so you can connect it to this. So guys, if you go to Best Buy, it's cost $16, but if you can go to $7, this is the one that comes with my own radio, right? But the reason why is that I can't use this rarely because the colors are different. There's no way you can see this color. This one has a bunch of green red. This one, the color is so different, right? So guys, what you need to do right now, when you go to eBay, you're gonna buy another wire. I'll show you the wire I bought, guys. It actually cost $7, guys. This wire cost $7 on eBay. If you go to Best Buy, I'll put a description below. If you go to Best Buy, it costs $16. So this, if it doesn't want to go in, so guys, what I'll be doing right now, after the wire I bought online, so now the one that came with my radio, this is it. So what I have to do right now, I just have to start joining the wires, you know. But before you start, make sure safety is number one. Make sure your truck is not hot. No, safety is number one, guys. So what I'm doing right now, I'll be taking the wire one after the other, and I'll join them together, guys. So first and foremost, I mean, it doesn't matter how you start. It doesn't matter where you start from. So I'm just gonna start joining them together. So guys, that's how you join every single wire together. Every single wire you think you need, that's how you join them together, guys. So I'll show you. So guys, after connecting everything right, it's okay to have some extra wires because this is an aftermarket. So some say back, another one say brake. I have key 1, key 2. It's okay if you have extra wire where they're not going anywhere. That's fine, right? So all you have to do now before, you know, to couple everything, just check it to make sure your radio you're trying to install is actually working. So what I'm going to do right now, this is the aftermarket I have right now. So I'm going to try to, you know, put it in here. So after that, what I have to do, I'm just going to try to power the truck and see if it's actually working, guys. So you see, because I've done with multi connection, I've not connected my ready. So I'm just going to check. So guys, you can see it powered on right away. I want you guys to see it powered on. That means what? My connection was actually right. So the reason why you're hearing this now because I've not connected. You can hear it's actually working. You can see. So this, I can move it back in if I don't want it. You see? And I can bring it back out if I want it. Guys, you can see what I just did, right? So I'm gonna couple everything. I'll let you guys, right? It's actually working right now. So guys, if you don't need this 7-inch screen, you can always take it and put it in there. The radio will keep working. You can see. So it's out of my view. So if I need it, I can always bring it out. Always. It's super simple, super easy. And also one thing about this radio, right? I can watch a video on it, guys. So, but I need some connections so I'll be able to watch video on it. So that'll be another video on how to show you guys how to do it, guys. So that's aftermarket radio on a freightliner Cascadia, guys. You can see the one that came with the truck. You can see, and I'll switch it out with aftermarket. So guys, actually I'm done with the installation. It was quick, it was straightforward. You don't need a professional to do this for you guys. You can see the radio is actually working. I've checked everything. The Bluetooth is working. It has a built-in microphone, so you didn't need a mic. I'm going to put a description below on where you can get everything I bought for this aftermarket radio. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please kindly consider to subscribe, and I will see you in the next